Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a 5 times higher video quality in CapCut. So first, you can just add your clips and then head to filter. And then in here, just find the high saturation filter and set it to 45. Now click on the adjust tab and click on the brightness and increase it to 10. Also the contrast. Now click on the sharpen and increase the sharpness of the video into 80. Like this, and find the vignette effect and increase it to around 12. Okay, now you can just click on the check icon and click on the clip, find the retouch options, click on the face, okay, now click on the brighten and increase it to around 15. Okay, just click on the check icon and you are done. And this is the video, what the video will look like. And before you export the video, just click on this box right here and make sure that the resolution is on the 1080p and the frame rate is 30. And after that, you can just click on export. Okay, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.